Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here for day number 5 of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series where I am making a layout for 7 days in a row, single or double page, and it will be with the kit that I created and posted on the 5th of the month. If you are interested in seeing what the original kit looked like, head over and check out the February 2023 playlist and you will see the kit build when I put it all together. You can see where I started with everything, and you know, I think if you see that and then you see what I have left, you're like, wow, she's used a lot of stuff. But I still have a ton of stuff left, guys. And I'm on layout number 5. Today I'm going to do a double page layout. What I have done, it calls for 5 photos. I pulled 5 photos here. So all of these will go on the pages. I pulled in, let me get over here and show you the paper first. I pulled in a couple of sheets of white cardstock for my background, and then it's layered. The paper itself is layered, and layered a lot. So it's like small clusters that are layered. Yeah, this whole layout is a layered layout. So there's tons of paper here that I'm going to cut down to go for my background. Then I found these 2 papers. They are Traveler's Notebook pages that Freckled Fawn had a sale on, or a grab bag or something. Anyway, I got a pack of them. And so with the embellishment kit that I put in from Freckled Fawn this month, I pulled these out of it. So anyway, I'm pulling it for the green side because this multicolor sheet has all the colors. It has that cranberry color, it has the orange color, it's got the green color, it's got the blue color that's in this houndstooth color here, and then of course the white. So I have all the colors. There's also some yellow in that background. So I pulled in this pocket page card. It's the same, from the same line as these are. I pulled in this zigzag card, and I've already used one of these for, I think, a tag. You know what? I may not even need this larger piece. I think I can get by. I sure can, because I have a full row. Where the washi tape strip is on this one, I'm thinking about doing this for my title, and where that washi tape strip is, I wanted to use a piece of this pocket page. So I'm just going to put that back and grab this one out. And I might leave these 2 in here too, in case I want to use some of those. That's the other pocket page card. And I also pulled in these tags in case I wanted to cut any of those pocket page cards down. I don't think I will on this one, but the others I might. I pulled in some acrylic heart shapes from Close to My Heart for this one. I have 3 little triangles, a banner shape, and then a heart. I pulled in the 2 sticker sheets, so see if I can use a little bit more of those. I pulled in a couple of label sheets, which I've used this one several times, and this one I've used once. I pulled in all the washi tapes that I have. I have multiples of this set. There's 3 different sets, 2 each, so there's 6 sheets altogether of this in the back. And then of course these are other Freckled Fawn. And then I have this alphabet set because I'm pulling in a little bit of black with this, and I happen to have 4 sheets here. I don't think I'll need 4 sheets, but they're with what I have pulled. Anywho, so this is where I'm starting. Give me a few minutes and I will be back to show you what I have created with these. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 5. Let me show you the products that I pulled that I did not use. I did not use my die set for the tags. I did not use these washi stickers or these washi stickers. So both of those will go back into my stash as well. I have shown you the close-up of the 2-page sketch here. I kind of followed it, I kind of didn't. So I kind of did my own thing. But I kept true to form with the layers of paper. These are all the offcuts of the paper. I did have a piece of pocket page card that I used for my journaling. I pulled in a piece of white scrap cardstock, and then all my other papers I cut down. Yeah, that's a branding strip there. And then there's the other one. I was going to say, I thought I had 2. There's that one. It has the months of the year and then the days you can circle. Anywho, but that's what I have left for paper. Embellishment wise, as far as the enamel dots go, I finished off a sheet of enamel dots. They were the big black ones. So that's another carrier sheet that's headed for the trash can. I used both these sticker sheets that came with the kit, the original kit that I pulled. I used both these sets of labels. This one I actually pulled in a second set so that I could have the black sticker at the bottom. So I had, I used a green one from here, a black one from here, and then a couple of colored ones here and here. And then I used the large black one there. Washi strips, I used the 2 from the bottom of these 2. So I didn't need the others that I pulled in. And then the stickers, the letter stickers I used are from here. And I did not put the date on here. Maybe I'll go back and put the year on here. The month and the year. Anywho, so here is the completed 2-page layout. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos. I have my embellishment cluster here. I have one here with my subtitle, if you will. Playtime is actually my title, and then Playtime and All Smiles. This is what I've been up to, All Smiles. And then over here, instead of putting that big pocket page card over here, I just cut some journal strips out of that leftover pocket page and put them there. I used wood veneer here. I used it here, here, and here. And these I colored when I showed my kit build at the end of the video. I showed the birds that I had painted and all the different paints that I used. I just kept dabbing the different paints onto the, I don't think they're true wood veneer. I think they're composite board, like composite cardstock, if you will. So yeah. So here's that one larger label here, and then the other one up here, and these are the acrylic shapes. I put one in each cluster, here, here, and then these 3 here. I used the chipboard hearts, I used the enamel dots, I used a sticker on each of the photos. Yeah, and I used 1, 2, 3 labels. That's that pocket page card that I cut down to act as my washi strip there. Yeah, and that's it. I love this. Is basic, this is simple, and it's going into the album. I might even just write in my date. I'll probably do that. Just use a little black ink and write on here. I don't ever want to write on those labels while I'm in the process, because I tend to smear it, so I like to do it at the very, very end. So there we go. Journaling is done. Anywho, guys, that's my layouts. I will have close-ups at the end of the video, so if you are interested in seeing them, make sure you stay tuned for those. If you missed the kit build, go back to my playlist called February 2023, and you will find the kit build for this, what these layouts were created out of. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.